Good morning, guys. It's been a little while, I think. Maybe Christmas? Damn. But what is today? It's March 10th, and it's Daylight Savings Day or night. Either way, now we have more sunlight. Shout outs to the seasonal depression girlies. We made it. I'm getting ready actually right now to go to the gym. Ooh, I don't know what's under here. Crazy. But yeah, I'm getting ready right now to go to the gym. And for the last 2 weeks, I've actually been eating healthy in the gym. Not just for summer, but for life. So we'll see how that goes. I've actually been enjoying it. I've been taking some workout classes. And yeah, why they don't offer like free trials no more? All the trials you gotta pay for. I guess they found the people like me who's trying it and may not come back. But I'm trying different classes to see what I like and what I don't like, because I want to work out that I'm gonna stick with. I want something I'm gonna stick with and enjoy. And something I saw on TikTok was like, you get more results from less stressful workouts. Like, you lower your cortisol. I think I used to have elevated cortisol. I've been feeling better. I've been taking my vitamin D. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all know. Taking my vitamins, period. Actually, I have to take them today, so good thing I just said that. And walking more. And they say that low impact workouts are better to keep your body in like a steady state of, I don't know, calmness. So like strength training, walking, Stairmaster, like HIIT will make your body hold on to it. I don't know if it's true or not. But guess who is not complaining? Guess who is not complaining? I like low impact. I wanted this headband so bad, and it just never hits for me. I don't know. Like, the girlies make it look so cute, and my hair just be looking like whatever in it. But I guess we're not trying to be cute. We're trying to go to the gym, lift those weights. But yeah, guys, what have I been up to? Working. I got an Apple Watch because I'm so obsessed now with being healthier. And it's paid off. I've lost a little bit of pounds. So I'm excited to keep going. And I think this is the first time in my life. Well, for the first time in my life, I woke up at 6 a.m. the other day to work out. It was crazy. But this is the first time in my life I've been this consistent. And the results are showing it. So they didn't lie, y'all. Consistency is key. Okay. We got the headband on. I'm not going to put on any earrings. I'm just going to take my vitamin so we can go. Hold on. The vitamin I take is this Mary Ruth's Morning Liquid Multivitamin. And it may support energy, beauty, immunity. I feel like I've had more energy since taking this, and I've also been taking vitamin D. Oh, I took my vitamin D this morning. My nutritionist, I've also seen a nutritionist, guys. And I got this little shot cup from Amazon because the serving is 2 tablespoons. So I don't want to use spoons. I want the actual serving size, and it's on there. I almost thought it said 2 teaspoons. I was gonna lose my mind. Like, I've been overdosing. But yeah, so basically if you take any other vitamins, take this at a different time during the day. But it gives me energy, so I try to take it earlier. So I took my vitamin D about an hour ago. Still not enough time, but I'm gonna still take it. And it doesn't taste bad at all. It's bearable. Some mornings I'll be like, ugh. But yeah, so I've been taking my vitamin D. I've been taking my vitamins. Also, I got prescribed vitamin D because my vitamin D was so low. So if you think you're depressed, go get your vitamin D levels checked because it's so crazy. And they were telling me how common it is. And I know it's common, but I don't think a lot of people actually check. Oh, guys, look what else I got. I'm trying these. I've been seeing the hype everywhere. So I got Let Me Chill. Let Me Chill has passion flower, lemon balm with clinically studied ashwagandha. It has 300 milligrams of ashwagandha per serving, which is 2 gummies. And it tastes good. And only 3 grams of added sugar. So that was something I was worried about. The hair, skin, and nails, for some reason, oh, they stick together more. It has biotin collagen with pro-retinol. I only been taking it for a week, y'all, so I don't know if they're working yet, but we're gonna see. Vitamins take a little bit of time, so that's why I'm not necessarily believing the girls that be like, oh, I took it in one day and I feel so much better. Cap. But they taste good, and since I've been cutting out a little bit of sugar, it's like my little sweet treat for the day. But yeah, guys, so I miss y'all. I'm about to go to the gym. I think I'm just gonna walk today. Hopefully it's not packed because I'm a girl that gets nervous in the gym. I also been downloading apps to work out. So if nobody's in there, I might try a little workout. But if people are in there, I'm just gonna walk. I'm not there yet where I'm that confident to be doing workouts in the gym because I'm always scared that somebody's gonna come up to me like, hey, your form is wrong. I thought I was going to the gym, but guys, my sister just put a hard pause on my plans because I have to redo my sewing, and she's like, oh, I'm 10 minutes away. I was like, girl, do I got time to go to the gym? And she was like, you will go after. So, y'all know, a fresh sewing, who's going to the gym after? I don't know. So I might just, oh, excuse me. I might just take a walk if I have time. I was trying to think, should I still sneak and go down there? But she was like, no, as soon as I get there, I need to start your hair. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. But the only reason I don't think I have time today is because Didi has a shoot at 6. So, we will see. It is only 11, so we'll see. Hair has been redone. Don't play with her. But I'm super tired. It is, my clock is still on the wrong time. 4:57, 5. It's gonna take me an hour to get there. 6, but I'm probably gonna leave 5:30 because I need to eat, make sure I have some energy, and be on my way to the shoot. I'm feeling like real tired today. Didi is lucky that I love him because I could just go to sleep. And the weather is giving sleep. Put on our big girl boots and get some shit done. So I'm not gonna wear no makeup or nothing. I'm just gonna throw out something cute, casual, and be on my way.
What's up, y'all?
Who was y'all?
My fans.
Oh, okay. Talk to them.
I love them.
This is for my vlog, though.
I know, but they be watching.
Oh, okay.
I love them.
You love them? Real bad. He's working right now. He been cranky all day, y'all. Look at him.
Chill. Bow.
I'm trying to box your bitch shit like see how the nigga get shot. Me and both too deep, we ain't fly like a bitch shit like we ain't leave it till somebody drop. I don't know what the fuck going on, man. Like niggas come home thinking they the shit, so we pop with ARPs and 30 sticks. I'm trying to put that nigga in the dick, cause he talk about my brother only his. You know what the fuck going on, man. Fucking stupid. RP 90.
Can you smile? Thank you.
Yeah, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that.
Hey guys. I'm like, when's the last time y'all saw me when I got my hair done? Well, now I'm in LA. So we're in LA for Rolling Loud. I just checked into my hotel. Staying at the One West Hollywood. Guys, look at this room key though. Mad cute. They put me in a room by the elevator though. So I asked to be changed. They're sold out tonight. Hopefully we could get a new room tomorrow. That's what they said. So we're gonna see. But look at how cute. I'm gonna give y'all a quick room tour because I gotta go to rehearsal. Look at how cute. That's me. That's what I went to the airport. Love a bath, shower, and of course the door. But let me show y'all. Like, not it. And here's the room, which I love. Super like, oh, I love it. And y'all know I'm a views girl. This view isn't like, oh my goodness, but I could have took it if I wasn't by the elevator. So yeah, guys. I usually unpack and stuff and put all my stuff in the closet and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that since they're gonna move me. But there's a closet, the robes. We have stuff for yoga. I signed up for yoga tomorrow. So I just have to figure out where that is. And I'm gonna pack all my stuff so maybe they can move it while I'm at yoga. We will see, guys. So this morning I woke up at 7 a.m. I had 9 o'clock a.m. yoga. I went to Erewhon. I got the Haley Bieber smoothie, and it was pretty good. And I went to Lululemon. The customer service at Lululemon in Beverly Hills is just 10 out of 10. And Dee Dee's set is at 6 today for Rolling Loud. It is 12 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna start getting ready at 2 so I could be ready by 4, take my time, and get over there by 4:35 to avoid any delays. And I wish I took y'all with me to yoga, Erewhon, and Lululemon. Like, that is such a LA girl morning. But, oh, that's where I did yoga. That's such a LA girl morning. But I was just so in the moment. And I also would have been scared to record everybody looking at me. So, yeah. And they are moving my room, guys. So I'm going to show y'all what I got from Lululemon. when I'm in my rooms. So yeah, I think I'm gonna shower and stuff now, or I'm trying to think like, should I wait so they don't have to clean the room again? But they're gonna have to clean it again. Like, look at me being considerate. But yeah, people was closing their doors, and it felt like they was closing my door, slamming my door, and I hear the elevator, and I can't do it. I'm sorry. So
I don't even know. I may have asked my mom to look.
hey guys, I just got back in, and I'm so motherfucking tired. They did switch my room, so I have a new room. Very happy about it. Right now, I am about to take this makeup off and sleep. Rolling now was a little hectic, so I'm gonna put the clips that I got in here.
Rich nigga vibes part what? 45. Okay, let me see. Let me see the jeans. Ooh. But I'm gonna check with y'all tomorrow because I am tired. I'm on live. And I did yoga here yesterday, so I'm just sitting here. Let me turn the camera on. Enjoying the sun. That's really it.